Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aastha here. So today in this video we are going to make Tic Tac Toe game part 2. So without wasting time, let's begin. In the previous video we are done with the 150 of codes, and now we are going to continue this game, and now in the line 154 you can see that here we have taken a if block, and in this what you will do is you will just make it copy and paste, right? Each and everything is same, so I don't think that you need to like is there any need to make you understand this. So what you will do, you will take a screenshot and you will make it uh, you will make the properties same, and then this game is gonna work. But uh, here we will see some of the things are changed, like the id are changed. Okay, what you will do, you will just change these IDs. So the codes are still same. Let's see where this, yes. So from the 235 line, we have to do from here. So you will just take a screenshot and you will be able to see each and everything. Okay. So from the 150 line, from here, you will take the screenshot and you will change the each and every ID. Right, let's come on to the 235 line. So in this line we have taken draw sprite, and now I will not tell from where I have taken this block. You have to find it by yourself. So firstly in the line 37 now, if player is equal to 1, then text extern 180 and 25. So uh, these are the IDs. Let me show you. 180 is X position and 25 is Y position. Okay, and X turn is a stroke. Right. So now here we will take if player 2 is equal to then 0 turn, 180 and 25. In the line 43, text size should be 40. 245 line, if you will take 3 and block, and now C11 is equal to 1. C22 is equal to 1. C33 is equal to 1. Okay. Game win. Okay. Then text X win 124 is X position, 220 is Y position. Now in the line. Next block we have taken line. This is 100 X1, X position first one, and 100 Y position, 300 X position, and Y position 100. Next, you will make it copy and paste, and till, let me see, you have to only to change the IDs and that's it. In the 309 line, you will no, don't write it. There's no need to write. Okay, let's see. Yes. Now in the 375 line, if then we will take one and block, and then game is equal to tie, and tie is equal to 9. Okay, then text tie 16 162.5 to 119. Okay, then after that in the 382 line, if game is equal to win, if the game is going to win, then if C11 is equal to 0, then C11 is equal to 3. Okay, then if C22 is equal to 0, then C22 is equal to 3. As like this, you will just make the codes, and till 413 you are done. Let's come on to the 419th line. If C11 is equal to 1, then set C1 set animation X. Okay, Then as like you will do till 425, and now in the 425 line 633 is equal to 1. Set animation X. Then here you will do one more thing, and that is you will take a if block. You will do this with the help of show text. Okay, click on this option and you will do it like this. Okay, press enter and you will be able to do these things. Right. So now here if now here you will if, and after that you will just add this block, and till 439 it is almost same, and in the 443 line you will do if C11 is equal to 2, then C1 set animation to 0, and if C22 is equal to 2, then C2 animation set animation 0. If C33 is equal to 2, then set animation you will do is as like the same. Just take out a screenshot and you are done with this. Right. Let's move on to the 472 line. Our code is almost done. So I hope that I will complete this whole Tic Tac Toe game in this part. So 472 line. Here if C11 is equal to 0, then C1 set animation to blank. Right, and in 475 line C22 is equal to 0, set animation to blank, and you will do as like the same. Okay, till 490 line, and in the 493 third line what you will do, line 150, 50, 150 and 350. These are the positions: X position, Y position, X position and Y position. Okay, you will make it C and you will be able to do it. Now at the last console.log C55. Right, so we are done with these codes, and let me show you one time. I'm gonna run it now. Let's see. So for X is done. Now I'm going to do, now let's see. Yes, so now you can see I will make it, let us see, I will make it tie. Okay, one time. Oh shit, I'll just make it one. No issue. So now it is showing tie. Yes, so each and everything is working, and the debug commands are nothing. These are just like, okay, so we are done with the codes, and I hope you have liked the video, and I hope that you have subscribed this channel also. If no, so click on the subscribe button and make it subscribed, make it great. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I will soon meet in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.